Top 5 causes and remedies for runny nose, cough, and sore throat. Number 5. Viral infection, common cold. Cause: viruses irritate or inflames your nose and throat. Remedy: rest, warm fluids, ginger tea, and enough sleep. Let your immune system work. Number 4. Postnasal drip. Cause: mucus dripping down your throat triggers coughing. Remedy: steam inhalation, saltwater gargle, and saline nasal spray. Number 3. Dry air or dehydration. Cause: dry air dries your throat and nose. Remedy: drink more water and inhale warm steam. Number 2. Allergies. Cause: dust, pollen, or pet dander inflame your airways. Remedy: avoid triggers and use antihistamines if needed. Number 1. Acid reflux, silent trigger. Cause: stomach acid irritates the throat, no heartburn needed. Remedy: eat smaller meals. Don't lie down after eating and avoid spicy food at night. If symptoms last more than 10 days or get worse, see a doctor. Your body talks.